I think this is just the case of gone so far down, you're not going to get back, are you? I'll just hold the ball, tease you for a bit, and then I'll take the bails off.
Chase a bitch, take no